Prophet ﷺ once saw a man sitting and leaning on the heel or the palm of his left hand behind his back, and he said, and I quote, "Are you sitting in the manner of those with whom Allah is angry would sit," end quote. Who is the Prophet ﷺ referring to here in this hadith? Jazakallah khair.
Wajazakum. It is prohibited for Muslims to sit and lean back on the palm of the left hand, doing this. So you lean back only on the open palm of your left hand. This is the way that the Jews pray or sit, according to the hadith. And this is prohibited. To do it on both hands, no problem. To do it on the fist of your left hand, no problem. In that, the haram is to lean back on the palm of the left hand, and Allah knows best.
Assalamu alaikum, Sheikh.
Alaykum salam wa rahmatullah.
Sheikh, I wanted to ask you, when we supplicate for a spouse, I know generally you mentioned before it's better to not be specific, but when it comes to, for example, asking for a spouse who speaks Arabic so that she can correct you on mistakes and you can practice, or if she's from a certain nationality, like an ethnicity that maybe you get along with, are these permissible things?
You can ask Allah for whatever you want without transgressing in dua. Oh Allah, I want my wife to be 5'1", and I would like her to be this kind of color, fair in skin, her hair color is this, her eyes are as big as this, her nose is as small as that, her lips are this, and I'd like her to know the Quran in the 10 qira'at, memorizes the hadith, and she has a degree, PhD, preferably in fiqh, comparative fiqh, and I'd like her to be the sweetest person on earth, the kindest, no matter how bad and rude I am, she's always smiling, and I'd like her to... Wait. This is transgression in dua. Abdullah ibn al-Mughaffal, may Allah be pleased with him, heard his son making dua. Oh Allah, I ask you for the White House, not in Washington, in Jannah, to the right side when you enter the Jannah. Do you have Google Maps, Akhi? What are you doing? How do you know that the moment you enter Jannah on the right there is a White House? Why can't it be black? What is this? So Abdullah said, my son, this is transgression in dua. And I heard the Prophet ﷺ say, among my ummah will be people who transgress in dua and in wudu. When they make wudu, they take gallons and gallons of water. So ask Allah for Jannah. Oh Allah, I ask you for Jannah. Ask Allah Azza wa Jal for a righteous spouse that would fulfill your wishes. That's generic, that's enough. And trust Allah Azza wa Jal. Don't go into details and check all boxes, because that would be transgression, and Allah knows best.